pendulum clock giving correct time at place where g is 9.8 meter per second square is taken to another place where it loses 24 seconds during 24 hours. Find the value of g at the new place. Time period t for standard clock is 2 pi L by g का root or 2 pi L by 9.8 under root. In 24 hours, second will be 24 into 3600 seconds. Suppose in 24 hours, the oscillations of clock are n, then 24 into 3600 will be equal to n into 2 pi L by 9.8 का root. Equation number 1. For n oscillations of the second clock, time period will be 24 into 3600. 24 लॉस करता है तो 24 सेकेंड and this will be n into 2 pi L by, suppose this is g dash, acceleration due to gravity at this place. Equation number 2. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. 24 into 3600 plus 24 by 24 into 3600 will be equal to 9.8 by g dash under root. 1 plus 1 by 3600 is equal to 9.8 by g dash. 3601 by 3600 is equal to 9.8 by g dash. बोथ साइड स्क्वायर कर दिया हमने. 3601 by 3600 का स्क्वायर will be equal to 9.8 upon g dash. G dash will be 9.8 into 3600, 3601 square, and that comes to be approximately 9.795 meter per second square.